Let's see how to create a nut. Go to the new file, start the part, select the front plane, sketch, create a hexagon and dimension 20 mm diameter. And make this line vertical and extrude the sketch to 10 mm. Select the plane, draw the circle, make it tangent, and then extrude cut. Flip the side to cut and then draft. And then select this plane, sketch, select the circle, draw the circle, select the line, tangent, extrude cut, flip the side, and up. Now insert the bolt, open, now make it concentric. First make it parallel, this surface on top surface, and, and then distance. -30 and -20 and add. Now make it concentric. And then make. Now insert features combine. Select the main body. This is the main body and the body to be subtracted. Select the body to be subtracted. So this is how we can create a nut with the help of combine command. Thanks for watching.